Okay, so now I'm in New Orleans area. Starting to get a little hungry. But I'm thinking, maybe Lee's is hungry too. Could my wife be hiding at the Blue Bayou? We should go take a look at the Blue Bayou and see if she's there. I think it's a good idea. Let's go. Ooh, fancy.
Jimi still here?
That's me. There we are, right next to the boat launch. Well, I haven't seen Lee's. Maybe we'll see her go by on the boats. Can you see out there? It's pretty dark. That's cool. Maybe she's eating. Let's find out what she can eat. That's a good idea. Looking for Lee's, eating a nice beignet. What is this? It's a Monte Cristo. It's a really good Monte Cristo. Holy cow! I may not have found Lee's, but I found a really great Monte Cristo. Holy cow! This is good. Liz? I'm not sharing. Well, goodbye, Bayou Adventure. That was a wonderful food. But no, did not find Lee's. It's a magical place. Had a great time though. I think I might have to come back here and look for Lee's some more. Alright, well, we're going to wander around Disneyland a little bit more. Maybe you can watch that next time. See you there.